Here's an example of this: evaluating functions linear and quadratic or cubic. Don't let all the notation and fancy language get you confused. If I ask you for the f of -2, it's just a fancy way of saying plug in -2 for the x in the f of x equation. So I'm going to say -2x to the third minus 3, that's the f of x, -2 times -2 to the third. Be careful with all these exponents. Feel free to use your calculator, but make sure you put parentheses around this -2. In this case, it'll probably be fine because it's going to be negative anyway, but order of operations tells me I have to do it this order. -2 to the third is -8. And then minus 3, then I have this little multiplying to do, so that's a positive 16 minus 3 is 13. Should be the answer to the first one. And then if I'm asking you for the g of 6, I'm looking at the g of x equation. And remember, g of x is just a funny way of saying y. And the same thing with f of x. It's just a funny way of saying y. I'm saying the function of g in terms of x is, and that's just actually a lot of words that means y, or the output of the equation. So I'm going to plug in this equals -3 times 6 plus 4. Not so many exponents to deal with this time. And those should be the answers to those. So we're just taking the number in the parentheses and then plug it into the equation and do the math. This number means to plug it into there. Just do the math carefully.